Dear students, I am going to discuss most important questions in the chapter Profit Loss. And these are very useful for GATE, Engineering Service, SSC, Civil Service, and all the state service exams. Those writing of GATE exam, it is a revision with simple shortcut methods. Profit loss, one of the most important chapter. For every chapter, basic concepts, basic terminology is very important. Before doing very first problem, we'll see what is the terminology in the profit loss. So in this, we have cost price, selling price, and gain and loss. These are the terminology. Whether it is gain or loss depend upon only cost price. Businessman may get gain, may be loss, depend upon the cost price. Next terminology, discount and marked price. MP is the marked price. Discount only on the marked price. Discount not on the cost price, not on the selling price. If we take thousands of problems throughout the chapter, we are getting, this is the terminology. We are going to see very simple shortcut methods, and every problem and every video we are giving 4 to 5 problems. And this is a revision and also getting more scorage for any competitive examination, especially presently those preparing for GATE, very useful. So coming to very first problem, here every problem is important. We are going to see very simple shortcut methods. So problem reading important. You read twice and twice and answer becomes very simple. By selling 12 oranges for 1 rupee. For 1 rupee is selling 12 oranges. By selling 12 is getting loss 20%. How many for a rupee should he sell to get a gain of 20%? For 1 rupee selling 12 is getting loss. For getting gain, how many oranges he has to sell? He has to sell less oranges. What is the meaning of less? Less than 12. So I am not applying any kind of formulas. Simple shortcut method. Wherever gain increasing, wherever loss decreasing. So here increasing, decreasing throughout the chapter important. So in the case of loss decreasing, what I am writing? 80%. What is the reason of writing 80%? They given 20% loss. That's why 80%. 80% is equal to 12 oranges. He has to get 20% of gain. What is the meaning of gain? 100 plus 20. Your most common sense, to getting a gain, we have to sell less than 12. He has to sell less oranges. That's all. What is the meaning of here? Less by more. Will be cancellation 8 oranges. To getting a gain 20% for 1 rupee, he has to sell 8 oranges. By selling 8 oranges, he is getting 20% profit. I think all of it clear. So I written just only one step. Less by more. Why less by more? To getting gain, we have to sell less oranges. So he selling 12 oranges. By selling 8 is getting 20% of profit. So according to multiple choice, what you are writing? C is the answer. So like this, every problem we can have a simple shortcut method. It may be any kind of chapter. First of all, problem reading. Those reading twice and twice, answer becomes only one step. So we can take 2 minutes time, but won't take even less than 1 minute time. Less by more, less value by more value into 12 oranges. We have to sell only 8 oranges. By selling 8 oranges, he is getting 20% profit. Coming to second problem. So what is my advice? We have to read properly. And a dishonest dealer, a dishonest businessman proposes to sell his goods at cost price. What is telling? I am selling only at cost price. So if you are selling cost price, really people are interesting. But you just a false weight and getting a gain 16, 18 by 47% using false weight. For a kg, you just weight of dash grams. For 1 kg, you using less weight. What is the meaning of less weight? Less than 1 kg. Is using less weight. In place of 1 kg, is giving less than 1 kg. So please, I am requesting, what is the gain? 16, 18 by 47%. They want to find out for 1 kg. So what is the using of the weight? It may be 940 grams, 960 grams, 947 or 953. Simple shortcut methods. See all of you. So I am writing gain is equal to x. See, in place of 1 kg. So here false weight. What is the meaning of false weight? Using less than 1000 grams. For 1 kg, 1000 grams. What are the false weight? Less than 1000. 1000 minus. It may be 1000 minus maybe 940, 960, 920. By taking false weight is getting a gain. So by wanted is doing. By this what is getting is they getting a profit. What is the profit? They given 16, 18 by 47%. This is called gain percentage. Gain percentage. For example, gain is equal to 60 grams. It may be gain or may be loss, depend upon cost price. Cost price less than 1000. What is here? 16, 18 by 47%. That I am writing 300 by 47. 47 into 6, 282 plus 18, 300 by 47. Simplify, not a complicated. Now both these sides, 100 into 3 times, cross multiply 47x, 3000 minus 3x, 50x, 3000. The value of x is equal to 60 grams. What they gain for businessman? 60 grams. For every 1 kg, he is getting a 60 grams. But they are asking for 1 kg, what is the using of the weight? 1000 minus 60 grams. That is called 940 grams. According to multiple choice, 940, D is answer. All of you, gain percentage depend upon cost price. Your cost is less than 1000. What is the less than 1000? 940. It's one of the very simple way. One of the repeated problem. Sometimes they may give gain, sometimes they may give loss. So what they want to find out? For every 1 kg, what is the weight of them? For every 1 kg, what is the false weight? 940 grams. For every 1 kg, gain for the businessman, gain for a dealer, 60 grams. But here they are asking for every 1 kg, what is using of weight? 940 grams. He is giving 940, but getting amount for 1 kg. So 1000 minus 60, 940 grams. Coming into third problem. So what is my advice? All of you, every video we are giving 4 to 5 problems. Those observing these videos, definitely 100% probability of success. You can have a smart revision with simple shortcut methods. That's why please observe our weightage fry. All the videos, especially reasoning aptitude, rank deciding, time saving. So after getting rank, you can utilize that. How much you are saving the time. The cost price of an article which are being sold at a gain of 10%. What is the meaning of gain? Increasing. 100 plus 10. And 6 rupees more than when it sold at loss of 10%. What is the meaning of loss? 100 minus. Here, actual theoretically, difference of selling price 6 rupees. Difference of selling price. But I am not using that type of formulas. Just we are using small shortcut method. What is the gain? 100 plus 10. What is the loss? 100 minus 10. Here I am not applying any kind of formulas. But what is my advice? You read the problem. Gain 10%, loss 10%, difference 6 rupees. Gain is equal to 100 plus 10. Loss is equal to 100 minus 10. That's all. You have to be understand what is the reason of writing 100 plus 10, 100 minus 10. Wherever gain, wherever loss, difference of both. Actually, according to theoretically, difference of selling price, I have taken directly. 20% will be 6. 100%, 20 into 5 times. That's all. That's why I told very simple shortcut method. But before writing shortcut, student must have basic concepts, complete terminology. Otherwise, you have to use many formulas. Without any formula, I have taken difference. 20% is equal to 6, 100% 30 rupees. According to multiple choice. C is the answer. No more formulas. Wherever gain, wherever loss, every problem connecting gain, loss, discount, market price, cost price, selling price. I think it all be clear. Most repeated problem. And actual method more than 5 minutes. Shortcut method less than 1 minute. Due to increasing of 30%, increasing gain both are same. Increasing 30% in the price of the X, 3x less are available for rupees of 7.8 rupees. What is the present rate of X for dozen? They are asking for dozen, meaning of dozen 12x. This is the one of the repeated problem. But very simple shortcut, less than 1 minute. Due to increasing of 30% in price of the X, 3x are less available. Sometimes 3x are more available. They may give more, they may give less. They may give increasing, they may give decreasing. They may give amount 780, 78 rupees, 48 rupees, 2000. That is whatever they given. Shortcut applicable for all kind of problems. Present rate of X for dozen. I think you're all of you reading. What is reasoning aptitude problems reading twice and twice very important. Without reading properly, we cannot get clarity. So please, 30% increasing. %30 of 7.8 dividing by 3 for one egg. Only for one. Only for one article. In place of article, one egg. But they're asking for a dozen. That's all. Thirty by 100. 7.8 dividing by 3. This will be 12. By simplifying, 0 cancel. This 3 will be cancellation. 936 dividing by 9.36. 9.36 rupees. .36. According to multiple choice, we are writing C part. I think roll up is clear. And these shortcuts, student must have clarity of all basic concepts. Then only they have more probability of success. See, objective we can write according to our convenient. It is for every problem. I am not talking about this problem. They may give increasing, they may give decreasing, they may give less, they may give more. 30% of 7.8 dividing by 3 for only for one article. Here one egg. For a dozen, multiplying 12. Sometimes for the 12. So 9.36 rupees. I think all be clear. See, this type of shortcuts normally we cannot find out. At the same time, that's why observation of weightage from YouTube. We can have more shortcuts methods, more concepts, and we know many things. Coming to last problem, it is a discount problem. What is the meaning of discount? Decreasing. What is the meaning of decreasing? 100 minus. Kabir buys an article with a 25% discount on its marked price. Discount only on the marked price. Who is marking? Businessman. He make a profit of 10%. What is the meaning of profit? Increasing. By selling it 660 rupees, by selling 660 is getting a profit. They are asking what the market price given all the multiple choice without any formula. What is my advice? Discount decreasing 100 minus. Profit gain increases. So before doing any chapter, student must have terminology, basic concepts from the best teacher, best faculty. That is what the meaning of best from the weightage. Once you have observation, all the concepts, doing any problem, automatically your ideas are increasing. Can have more probability of success. Here they are asking marked price. I am writing marked price X. Selling price. What is the meaning of discount 100 minus? What is the reason of writing 75? 100 minus 25. Again is getting profit 10%. What is the meaning of profit? 100 plus 10. That's all. Can take less than 1 minute. That's why reasoning aptitude for any competitive examination, time saving, rank deciding, especially those writing of GATE exam, they have to use it. Intelligence is very important. Intelligence preparation. Already they given selling price.
Here 1 of the 0 cancel. 25 into 3, 25 into 4, 11 into 6 times, here 3 into 1 times, 3 into 20 times, by cross multiply. What is the x value? 20 into 40, here 4 they 10. What is that 20 into 40? 800. That is called market price. Simplifying never be complicated. According to given multiple choice 800. C is the answer. See all the shortcut methods you have done. And there only you can make direct answers. I think you're all be clear. So I'm requesting all of you, please observe our weightage from YouTube. And you know many concepts, many shortcut method. And especially for GATE exam, it is a smart revision with simple shortcut method, more scoreage, rank deciding, reasoning aptitude, everybody is intelligent. There is no comparison. I think you'll all be clear. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for all.